Baby African wild dogs, also known as African painted dogs or Cape hunting dogs, are born into one of the most social and cooperative societies in the animal kingdom. These dogs are known for the unique and striking coat patterns, with patches of black, white, and tan colors that make each individual easily identifiable. When it comes to reproduction, the entire pack collaborates in taking care of the pups. The alpha female usually gives birth to a litter of around 6 to 10 pups, though litter sizes can vary. The pups are born blind and deaf, relying on their mother for nourishment through nursing. In the first few weeks of life, the pups are kept hidden in a den to protect them from predators. The entire pack is involved in providing food for the mother, ensuring that she has the sustenance she needs to produce milk and care for the pups. As the pups grow, they start to venture out of the den, becoming more independent and gradually introduced to regurgitated food from the adults. The pack's social structure plays a crucial role in the survival of the pups. Adults take turns babysitting, guarding, and providing food for the young ones. This communal approach increases the chances of survival for the pups, as it allows the pack to ensure their safety and nourishment. African wild dogs are endangered due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting their habitats, mitigating conflicts with human populations, and raising awareness about the importance of these unique and ecologically significant predators.